What's up, guys? It's Coach Jay coming at you to describe your workout of the day for today. So we have a total body workout of the day. We have an upper body circuit and a lower body circuit. So we're going to go through it real nice and quick. If you have any questions while you're on site, feel free to reach out to a staff member for clarification. So first, for our upper body circuit, we're going to do each of these 3 times. Okay, we're going to do 6 rear delt flies. Okay, so just hinging forward, rear delt fly. Then we're going to take it to the ground, do 6 chest flies. No need for any elevation. Just use the ground as your backstop and bringing it up. Okay, so 6 and 6. Then we're going to do 12 prone row. So from the ground, okay, laying on your stomach like you're grabbing a lat pull down bar, squeezing your shoulder blades together and back out. Okay, from there you're going to go right into 12 push-ups. So you're already going to be in that prone position. Right after you get done with your last lat pull down, or excuse me, your last prone row, you're going to go right into 12 push-ups. Then you're going to take it into 24 dumbbell rows. You can do it one at a time or both. Do your 24 dumbbell rows, and then you're going to drop one, go into a spin press, out like so, squeezing your chest together. Okay, that is your upper body circuit. You're going to do that 3 times. 6, 6, 12, 12, 24, 24. Next, you're going to do a lower body circuit. First, you're going to do 6 lunges, however you need. I encourage you to do weighted. If you need to do either a split squat static, rear lunge, or forward lunge, rear lunge being a little bit easier, forward lunge being a little more advanced. Take your pick with any of those. You're going to do 6 long leg marches. Those are a little different. It's an advanced version of a glute bridge, so a unilateral glute bridge. So instead of having those legs tucked, I'm bringing my legs out a little bit more, raising my legs up, marching in place. We're going to do 6 each side. Okay. From there, we're going to do 12 Cossack squats. So you can do this weighted or not weighted, or a side lunge, you might hear it called. Nice and deep there. We're going to do 12 each side. Then you're going to go into 12 RDLs. You can do both weights, one weight or no weight at all. Okay, and if you need a little more stability, plant that toe if you need. Okay. At that point, we're going to do a side leg balance raise. So I'm going to be on my side. Okay, making sure I'm nice and stable, and all I'm doing is keeping my balance and doing a side leg raise. You're going to get nice, good glute med, that abductor activation, real nice. Okay, 24 each side. Okay, you're going to end it out with 24 squats. Again, you're repeating that circuit 3 times. Okay, so I'll see that pattern with 6, 12, 24. Now, because I love you guys so much, you got a 50s finisher. You're going to do 50 burpees as fast as you can. Okay, feel free to push your time and see what you can do. I know it sounds like a lot, but you're capable of doing it. Nice, good, hard, total body finisher. So that's it for you guys for your total body workout of the day. Hope to see you there.